And on this momentous day, let us bring our Gaia mudra, laced fingers, thumbs to the heart bone. And send a wave through her known grid. So we're going to send it kind of dimensionally. So the Gaian grid is an influential frequency mode that it's a bit hard to perceive. The Tara grid is the 5D grid that we've been seeing. The 5D grid that appears to be more hexagonal rather than squared. And then, of course, we send a frequency mode through what is perceived to be physical density reality. And we allow ourselves to be aware of all three at once. So this really powerful 7D Gaian influence frequency, which we feel now through the mudra. And then let us assume the Vati mudra, flat palms, open, 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 and moving outward, facing outward into the perception. That's what we call the world, the perception. And pulsing, if you will, we're pulsing that frequency we've invoked via Gaia through into the 5D manifestation that continues to not only form, but to become more complex. Just allow that pulse to move and emanate through your palms. It's kind of a frequency that pulls through your hands and then moves out the palms. And then I want you to kind of move your hands to erase and soften the edges between 5D and 3D. Just let your hands now move in their own intuitive path. And now move some of that softened configuration, right? This is the configuration that is right underlying density. Move a bit of it out into your imagined day. Be it in your home, be it on the road. Interacting with people, errands. And now we act as, in the name of Fati, this is the mudra Fati. We act in the name of Fati to share frequency across the US, softening the edges, allowing that person's divinity to peek through, to supplant motor mind, to act as a buffer against thought forms, to connect with their aspirations to the divine. And we allow that to be a wave moving from this ghost to your ghost, to across the US to your coast. Just, we got the coast covered, kids. Just move it across, move it across, move it across. Just do it. Beautiful, subtle, gorgeous waves. Wind waves and ocean waves, internal waves, and just that flow, that divine configuration of waveform. I'm facing the east now, and I'm just allowing, allowing, allowing. Unity. and linking now with all beings who would put their thoughts, prayers, and influence towards unity, democracy, in its truest form, acceptance, without contingency. Acceptance without contingency. Acceptance. And with the Mudra Sibilan, we invoked the possibility that each being who is open to the truth, or who even would proclaim that they are open to the truth, receive it as a blessing today. With love, love, love. And that those who would find their way to the propagation of true and known to them lies, that the mirror be offered to them today. The mirror be offered. That the mirror be offered. So, and namaste, namaste. And I do say that I cannot stay. I must fly away. All right. Have a beautiful election day. Let us just know that our work has been received and will influence in the way that is appropriate for the oneness, and that from this day forward, we are sacred influencers. Okay. All right, you beautiful beings.
Thank you, Valerie.